Let's have a quick snapshot of our digital loan solution. What we will do is we will take an online customer who will access our loan application via online banking. From there, digital loans will start processing the application by collecting data from different external and internal systems. We'll pass that on to the credit manager. The credit manager also will have to add some extra documents as an illustration of the capabilities, and then the application will be moved to the risk expert for the final decision. So how does this look in digital loans? First of all, we have this process diagram, which is a depiction of how this process is executed in the system, step by step, with all the logic here, with all the scoring decisions and so on. So this is something that digital loans can interpret instead of coding and developing something here. So I'm inside online banking. I go to the applications and I'm requesting a new consumer loan. So let me just quickly fit in some basic data for preliminary assessment, based on which I will get the loan offer. So part of our process was a calculator which made initial offer for the customer without any checks. I want to take that offer and go on. So I need to fill in some information which might be not available or might be incorrect in my online banking. And let's go. So what happened here is the system, based on the data it has collected from different external systems and internal bank systems, made customer scoring and creditworthiness assessment, and it doesn't match the customer request. So instead of rejecting the loan, we have passed it to the credit manager for further work. Let me turn on the credit manager's application, and I can access the customer's loan application here. I see all the data collected. I can check the reports on the customer, and I see in this matrix that we cannot offer at the moment to the customer the loan amount he is asking for, because the income evidence we have is less than the customer has declared. What is important, everything you see on the screen right now and you have seen inside online banking is dynamically generated forms from digital loans. So you don't need to code, you don't need a development team to get all that information running inside the system. But what will I do as a manager right now? I will ask customer for additional evidence. And let's say the customer sent me an email with a rental agreement which covers the necessary requirement for the income. Now the next step will be not at the manager's work desk, but it will be a risk expert who will assess the application and make the decision. Instead of going to risk expert's work desk, let's get back to our demo description. So we have seen how to add extra documents, but we want to improve the bank. And the improvement will be such that we would like to move the step for adding extra documents to our online banking. So how to do that? First, update the process diagram. Second, upload the new process version to the system. Third, just start the application. So let's start with process diagram update. I'm back to the process diagram, and here I have the step called add additional documents, which is assigned to the manager. So what I would like to do is to move this step to the customer. Let's check if that's truly customer here. So I have moved the step here, Additionally, I will send an email to the customer reminding that there is some application work he has to do. If he is not logged into the system, he will get the email, he can go back to the system and fill the form. So let's save it. Let's go to our work desk, and I will upload the new application version from the bank side, the work which typically will be done by the administrator or system owner. And that's new process version. The self-service file upload. Let's save it. Okay, and within few seconds the new version is activated and ready for use. So now let's move to our customer bag. And once again, I will go to the applications. I will start my loan application. All the same parameters, just to make life easier. And let's go. Okay, let's move on with the preliminary offer. Fill in the remaining data. I have to learn how to type in my name. Voila! My credit application is once again with the credit manager. So, as a credit manager, I'm opening that. So, nothing has changed here. This time, I will say to the customer, please upload your income evidence documents. So, what happened now? Based on our process, the customer has got the message, the notification that he has to upload the files. Let me get back to the applications and check. Okay, this is my newest loan application. Yes, I need to add some additional documents. So let me open this. Well, I have submitted my extra documents, but as you can see, this credit application is not with the credit manager because based on our workflow, it's now a risk expert who has to do his work, and he has that application here and he can access it. I see the uploaded file, this time the file uploaded by the customer. I can change income information because it has been confirmed by the customer, and so we can proceed to the loan disbursement. So that's very short overview of digital loans and how it's easy to using low code and integrated omnichannel approach to enhance both your loan underwriting inside the organization and integrate the digital channels.